Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So I'm super excited for this video because we're doing a fall movie night, and I know that it's October right now, so all the movies I'm going to be watching tonight are going to be scary. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bunch of yummy treats for the fall and Halloween time, and then I'm also going to show you how to set up your fall movie night. So let's get on into it.
So we're going to start by moving things out of the way to set up our movie night. Now you can make a fort. I decided just to throw blankets on the ground and pillows and get comfy that way. So this is the first recipe I'm teaching you guys how to make. I will have all of the recipes I'm showing you guys down below, so it's easier. But this is basically chocolate banana bread, and instead of making the recipe that I did because it wasn't very good, I would just make normal banana bread and mix it with brownies. So like a brownie mix, that would be so much better. We're making the cutest thing ever, which is mini pumpkin pies. So you're going to prepare your pumpkin pie mix. I added a little more seasonings and stuff to mine just because I wanted it to taste better. And mine wanted me to add some milk to it and some eggs. But if you're vegan, you can leave out the eggs and the milk both. Then you're going to get these ready pies, which are like cracker crumb pies. And they are super good. And you take the little plastic pieces out of it and you fill them with the pumpkin pie mixture and you cook them. Now you could put foil around the edges so that they don't get too dark. Mine got a little bit dark, but they didn't burn, so it was all good. Topped mine with a little bit of frosting. You can do whipped cream if you want to, and these things were delicious. A bit of my pumpkin pie mixture, so I used the rest of it to create muffins. So I will put the recipe down below again, but really any recipe that has pumpkin pie mixture in it should work fine. You just gotta adjust the measurements of everything. And these muffins turned out super good. You can add chocolate chips to them or walnuts or whatever you want, and they are delicious, and you can freeze them. I make a huge batch of these usually, and I make some with chocolate chips, some without, and then I end up freezing them, and I take them out one by one and just eat them that way, and they are super yummy. I've made all those yummy treats, you can get together with your friends and you can watch Halloween movies. I was just chilling today by myself, but you can have your friends over and you can do a spa night. I did a fall spa night last year, and you can mingle the two together and have one big awesome night. Some of the movies I love to watch is The Shallows, Halloween Town, The Messengers, Signs, any movies that are scary. I love scary movies. So I am all about the scary movies. And my favorite all-time movie is Halloween Town.
I really hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope that you guys will have a fall movie night. What kinds of things would you do at your fall movie night? One of the coolest things that you can do is I made last year a fall spa night. The spa night and the movie night, and you put them together, then you can have like an amazing fall movie spa night. So I will have that video in the cards section for you to check out in case you guys want to mingle them together and have a bigger fall movie night. Enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye!